Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khyati Srivastav and you're watching Khyati Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you my earrings collection. Okay, so I have so much obsession about earrings, so I brought it from like Delhi, from Jaipur itself, and some are gifted to me. So yeah, and I have earrings from rupees 20 to 250. So yeah, I will show you my earrings, and along with I'm going to tell about their prices and where I brought it from. So yeah, let's not waste your time, let's get started. Okay, so let's start our video. Okay, firstly I'm going to show you my earrings pouch. So here it is, it's a basic pouch. So yeah, it has sections in it. So I had divided into three sections, like for silver earrings, for golden earrings, and for colorful ones. So yeah, firstly I'm going to show you my silver. This is our first ones. This looks so beautiful with any of your traditional outfit. It looks so good. So yeah, I brought it from Delhi and it's of I think 50 or 60 rupees. So the next one is these western ones. These are gifted by my friends. So yeah, and I love them. So the third one is these silver hoops. So okay, this is a basic silver hoops which you had to add in your earrings collection because this goes perfectly with all of your outfits. I mean all of your western outfits, it goes perfect with them. So yeah. Now the fourth one are these. This leaf pattern, like see, these leaf pattern earrings. This looks so beautiful and looks so elegant with your one piece dresses. I tried it once, so yeah, it looks so good, and I brought it from Delhi and it's of 30 rupees only. So yeah, so the next one is these. Let me show you these Latkan earrings. It looks so traditional and it looks so beautiful. See, I brought it from Jaipur itself, and its price is I think 75 rupees. This is my first ever buy, the basic jhumkis, and this goes perfectly with your Indo-Western outfits or the traditional ones. So yeah. Now the last earring. It's not an earring. So yeah, let me show you first. This. There is a trend. I think 4 or 5 years back, एक ट्रेंड आया था ईयर कप्स का. Let me show you how to wear it. We wear it like this, so it looks so funky. I brought it from Khatipura market in Jaipur and it is of 50 rupees only. So yeah. And the last one is these, which I was wearing today. These are gifted by my Mossy. So yeah. Okay, so let's move on to our golden earrings collection. So yeah, first is these golden hoops. These are, by the way, these are so dirty because I wore it many times. So yeah, these are golden hoops. Hoops go perfectly with your western outfits. So yeah, these are the golden. Okay, so these golden earrings, I bought it from Delhi for of like 50 rupees. only. So yeah, these are the ones. Okay, so now these ones are also dirty because I wear it so many times. So I bought it for like 60 or 65 rupees, I think. So yeah, these are the in my golden earrings collection. I just love these. These are my favorites in golden earrings. So yeah, these are the one. Look, these are so pretty. I bought it from Delhi and it's of 120 rupees. These are super 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 lightweighted and easy to wear. These are and these are my personal favorites. So yeah. Okay, so the next one is these. I love these one too. These are super 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 heavy, by the way. It looks so small in this, but these are big ones and I just love them. Look at its pattern. It's like मैंने ये पैटर्न कभी कहीं नहीं देखा. So yeah, I brought it from Delhi around 150 or maybe 200 bucks. Yeah. Okay, so I have these leaf pattern golden earrings too. I have these in silver, but these silver ones are little bit longer than this. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the colorful ones. See, these are so pretty. I guess you also liked it. My mother brought it for me. So yeah, actually इसके पीछे एक स्टोरी है. मैंने मम्मी को बोला था कि आई हैव लाइक मरून ड्रेस, मरून एंड ग्रे, सो आई वांटेड मरून इयररिंग्स लाइक दीज, बट मम्मी कंफ्यूज हो गई और मम्मी रेड कलर के ले आई. बट आई थिंक वो तो मैंने जैसे तैसे काम चला लिया, बट आई थिंक दीज रेड वंस लुक सो सो सो. These look so beautiful. And yeah, these are of 150 rupees. These are from Jaipur itself. Those who are from Jaipur, they know about the market of city. That is the hub of earrings in Jaipur. So yeah, these my mom brought it from there. So yeah, see, it looks so good. I can't wait to wear it with some outfit. I think this will look so pretty with a gown or like sari. It looks so perfect with them. So yeah, I just love them. Okay, so the next one is these. I recently bought it from Hajpura market in Jaipur. So yeah, I just love these pair. These are of 240 rupees. So yeah, I just love them. I think I just love them all because I told you I have crazy obsession about earrings. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So I have these Gujarati look wali earrings. गर्ल्स नो, इनका भी एक ट्रेंड आया था कि उस टाइम ये वाला पैटर्न बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा था. उस टाइम इस पैटर्न के ब्रेसलेट्स भी मिल रहे थे, इस पैटर्न के इयररिंग्स भी मिल रहे थे एंड ऑल. सो या, these are gifted by my chachi. So yeah, these are the ones. And by the way, these go perfectly with your Gujarati outfits. As you can see, Navratri is coming. But as you also know कि इस बार हम डांडिया नहीं खेल सकते. because of this coronavirus. So yeah, but these look so perfect with your Gujarati lehenga or Gujarati outfit. So yeah, these are the ones. So yeah, here we comes to the end of the video. So yeah, these are my earring collection, and I hope you liked it, and I hope you like my previous videos too. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notified. Give it a thumbs up and keep there. Bye bye. These are super.
I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in